how to custom the song on your Instagram Reels. So to do that, first of all, make sure that you have installed and updated the latest version of Instagram on your phone so that you won't miss out any new features. So here, just tap on the plus icon. After tapping on the plus icon, you will now see an interface like this. And now since you want to post a reel, then you can just choose the option of reel. And then just choose any one video that you want to post. And when you choose the video, you will now see the option of music here. So yes, you cannot add any of the favorite music which you have with you but is not available in this Instagram. So there are only two options how you can post your favorite music on the reel. That is to edit the video by any app like CapCut, InShot or etc. The next way you can do it is play your favorite music on background and then use the camera and make a reel video. So this is only two options how you can custom your own music on the reel you want to make. I hope you like our video. If you like the video, please do subscribe our channel.